Hey, this is Harold from Giant Loop, and we're taking a look today at the Fandango tank bag, the Fandango Pro, and this is the larger of our two tank bag models, the Diablo being 4 liters, this one's 8. They mount with the same harness in exactly the same way, and they have virtually the same features. It more or less boils down to size preference between the two models. And as you can see, as long as you have 3 easy anchor points, it straps right onto the bike. We would recommend installing clear vinyl film beneath to protect the painted surfaces from scuffing. It includes a waterproof inner dry pod liner, electronics pass-through, and easy access to the fuel fill by simply unzipping one side of the tank bag and flopping it out of the way. The tank bag can also be fully removed from the harness by undoing the other zipper. You can carry your things with you, leaving the harness mounted on the bike and ready to go. Fandango Tank Bag by Giant Loop. Go light, go fast, go far.